Hi, it's Mr. Wilson here, and today we're going to look at reflection. Reflection is when a wave changes direction at a boundary without crossing the boundary. Here I've got a ray of light. Remember, light is an electromagnetic wave. The light is coming here, it's hitting the mirror, which is a boundary, and we can see that the light is being reflected back. We call this the incident ray, and this the reflected ray. The mirror is the boundary, and there's a line at 90 degrees to the boundary called the normal. You can just about see I've written this on, but I'm going to turn the lights on and show you this in detail. So here's my lovely diagram. We can see where the incident ray came in. We can see where my mirror was. This is my boundary. We can see where the reflected ray was coming out. You can maybe just about see the light on the paper if I put the mirror there. You might just be able to see that ray coming off again still. I've drawn in the normal, which is at 90 degrees to the boundary. And finally, I've labelled these two angles. Theta is this weird letter that means an angle. I for incident and R for reflected. What we know about reflection is that the angle of incidence, that's I for incidence, is equal to the angle of reflection, that's R for reflection. And that tells us what happens in reflection, which is when a wave changes direction at a boundary without crossing the boundary.